Hi, Super Learners. We're going to make a magic thing in this box. Let's open it. We unboxed it. Now let's see what's inside. Phone paper, my favorite. The instructions. More instructions. And a full box. Let's see what's inside this big box. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside, guys. These are magic gels. Yellow, orange, dark yellow, black, light pink, light pink. These are the scoops that we use. These are eggs. Light blue, dark blue, light teal, blue, light green, dark blue, teal, light teal, light blue, beige, red, dark green, light yellow, purple, white. These are the molds containers with 2 liters of water in the bottom. Let's add the magic powder. Let's get started doing the wheel first. Let's start doing lightning. Now we can place the container into the water. Now we took it out. Now let's do it. Now let's scoop up our wheel, and now let's see what do we see. It looks kind of cool. Super slippery. There we go. Let's I'm gonna make the turtle next. I'm gonna use green. We're gonna use red. place the turtle in the water. Now we're making a duck. Now we're going to do the rubber ducky. Attach the rubber to see what it looks like. Now we are going to do the crab. We're going to put the crab in the water. This is the crab. This is the fish.
What color are you using?
Orange. We're going to do the fish next. See the name. It's pretty small.
What color is your whale?
Light blue and blue and black. Let's see. This one. It's the turtle.
What color is it?
And green and red. Let's see the crab. My crab is red and black. My rubber ducky is yellow and black. And now this is the fish. My fish is orange and yellow and black. Let's have an inspection. They look very small. Let's see what happens when we squish it. It pops! Guys, it pops!
Oh. Okay, let's not pop them.
Yeah,
What happened to your hand?
it got sticky, guys. Do not squish it. They will pop and they will make a mess. Like guys. This is the turtle and this is the fish. Thanks for watching, guys. The magic water.